Hey guys, this is Alex Martinez down at Castle Country RV here in Helper, Utah. Today we're going to be showing off the Rockwood Mini Lite 2509S. This is one of their most popular floor plans with big double bunks in the rear and the awesome Murphy bed system. One of the couple of great features here on the outside, you have these nice white docking lights, so if you're ever hooking up at nighttime, you don't ever have to worry about getting lights or a flashlight back here to hook up. And you got a light here on the front of your power tongue jack as well, just to make sure you can really see your ball there. Coming right here on the outside, you got a full power awning with nice white LED lights underneath. You got access to your pass-through storage here from the outside. This one, we got a nice dining room table in there, and you can actually get to this inside from underneath your couch. The Rockwood Mini Lights, they come with 190 watts of solar on top, and they are pre-wired for a suitcase solar panel right here already on the side. And they have a 1,000 watt inverter to help run all those outlets for your TV, for any speakers or anything fun like that you take with you. They have this really awesome outside mount here. They actually come with this really awesome Greystone brand griddle that sits here on the outside. Anything that fits on a 19-inch Blackstone will actually fit on that Greystone griddle. Coming around here, you also have this nice big outside kitchen. You actually have a cooktop as well, so you can heat up water and everything while you're cooking your hot dogs or sausages or whatever there on that grill. And you got this small little inverted mini fridge outside, so you can always have cold drinks while you're outside cooking. And then here back on the back, we do have this rear ladder system, so you can get up onto the roof. And you have this rear receiver hitch, rated for 300 pounds. So if you got bikes or anything awesome like that you want to take with you, you got a spot to set them up right here on the back. And they are prepped for a backup camera right from the factory. So why don't we go take a look inside and we'll show off some of the great inside features. Hey guys, why don't you come on inside and check out this great floor plan. Here, we've got that awesome Murphy bed system that I was talking about outside. This is really easy. Honestly, a monkey could do it. It's so easy. It just pulls down like this, and then literally you just grab onto it and make sure it's all unhooked. And it just pulls down, nice and easy, and latches into place even, so there's no worries about the kids accidentally lifting it up and pinching their fingers or anything like that. This unit does come equipped with a sofa here in the slide. There also is an option for a dinette. Coming around here, you already have this nice 32-inch Furrion TV already mounted up in here right from the manufacturer. Here we are in the bathroom. Now, I'm not a small guy, but I've got plenty of space to take almost an actual shower in here. I could kind of get in and do a jig. One really awesome thing that these Rockwoods do is they've got this shower miser system here in the shower. So what this does is you flip this little lever, and then as you're running your hot water, it's just going to recirculate through the gray tank. And then when this turns a darker color, you'll know you have hot water and you're not wasting any water, just waiting for it to get hot here in the shower. All right, and stepping out of the bathroom, we actually have a really nice sized medicine cabinet or makeup cabinet or whatever you need here in the bathroom. And you have this nice little shelf where you can hang up your toothbrushes, anything like that when you're out camping. And you have a pretty decent sized sink to wash your hands in the bathroom. No need to head out into the kitchen just to wash them in the big sink. All right guys, thanks for watching. That was a pretty quick just run through of our nice Rockwood Mini Lite 2509S. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come on down to Castle Country RV here in Helper, Utah if you want to take a look at this one in person.